This is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Onwards, enter the Connection and Sharing category, and in here you'll find the dedicated data usage section, which you want to go for. Here at the top of the page you'll find the general amount of cellular data used, and at the general page itself you can see how which application or system service used exactly how much of your mobile data. If you would like to change the SIM card that you are checking the cellular data usage for, just switch your SIM card preferences. We have a whole separate tutorial on it, so make sure to check it out. And if you would like to opposing to the mobile data usage, check your Wi-Fi usage, just tap at this icon over here and choose the Wi-Fi usage respectively. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.